Hi, it's John with Joy Drive, and I can't take it any longer. I gotta know, why are you at the airport? Why do you go to the airport in Nashville, Tennessee to make money? Today, I was talking to a friend about our business and how we help our member drivers, and I used that chance to show him that at 2 o'clock, there were 6 incoming flights. It's information we send out to our member drivers. Just 6 incoming flights, and there were 60 people in line, in queue, as Lyft drivers, and probably just the same as Uber drivers. With only 6 flights, that's 1,200 people at most who are going to be coming in, when typically the best time to only stick around the airport is if there are 15 or at best 20 some odd flights, which rarely ever happens in a week, because again, for our member drivers, we send them daily incoming flights per hour, so they can know whether to stick around the airport or go make their money where they're supposed to make their money, which is not at the airport. So you look good, I'm happy to see you out at the airport, but you ain't making money. Come on and see us, let us help you.